CATFISH.
What's going on? We are, oh, you're kind of dirty. Hold on. Good afternoon, guys. It's about, I don't know. Actually, I don't know what time it is. What time is it? It's about 5 o'clock. It's 4:59. It's about 50-ish degrees. Fall is here officially. Maybe not on the month or the date, but to me, fall's here. So, and we're gonna try to catch some catfish. Channels, no blues in here, sadly. At least not that I know of, anyway. We got shad for bait. I got my bait rod. We're gonna throw that around while I wait, and we're gonna see what we can do. Hopefully, there's some active, hungry fish down there. Hopefully, the water's not too cold for them yet. It's where they're not really moving as much, but water temperature should be all right. But yeah. So we gotta figure out what they want. Hopefully a shack. That's all I have. I got one pole to rig up, so I gotta get that done first. So let's get to it. All right. Got our first piece of bait out there. Got some 3 pretty good shad. So we're gonna see what we can make happen. Hopefully the wind's not too bad for you guys today. It's starting to pick up a little bit. I'm sitting over here, so I don't want to have shad guts on my butt, so do that over there. Right. Now you guys can even see what I'm doing, because I can barely see the camera. So, but here's our first piece of bait right here. Nice little head section. I'm just gonna hook them through the nose, bring it out, and we're ready to go. Good old dirty bait towel. I'll walk down, make a lot of noise, scare off every fish that's close. Throw one to the sun so I can't see. And we're out there somewhere. And we're on bottom. Let's break out the tackle real quick. Over here, get the other pole set up. And then I'm going to need my leader line, which is nothing special. It's just 30-pound trilene big game. What is this, mono? Yeah. And we're gonna be threading on a, oh, what is this? Whisker Seekers triple action or double action? Honestly, I don't know. It's one of the two. Supposed to be like a J hook and a circle hook and like one. I don't know. Not exactly sure, to be honest with you. So there we go. That's all nice and tight. And I'm slowly running out of weights that I would like to use. You look a little bit cleaner than that one. And all we have here is a 2-ounce weight. I believe it's like 25-pound braid I have on here. Come on through. Then we'll come down here, pick up a barrel swivel, And then we'll do an improved clinch knot. So just take it and you'll twist it up a few times. Some people do like a few, some people do a lot. I don't know. I really have no preference. Moisten it up. Then what I do with my knife. I'll just go over here. Get rid of that little tag end. Clean it up a little bit. Then we'll take our leader here. And then we'll do the same knot, just on this side. And for a little razzle dazzle, then we'll throw on a bobber, make it into a Santee Cooper rig. And it's a great thing that this lake is down, I don't know, 5-6 feet of water, it seems like. How much deeper this spot could be. I'm trying to get it all the way through, which I can never seem to do. I don't know, should be good enough right there. Throw on that little cork, and throw on that one. Oh, that one's a little too far right now. Oh well. And now, folks, we have a Santee Cooper. Just a very fancy Carolina rig. But we have a fresh hook, fresh leader, semi-fresh bait. And we got a dream. Uh-oh, we're getting bit. Oh no. Oh, I caught a bunch of line. Max, is this yours? I feel like it's yours. But we did get a bite though. Go pick that up after I throw this out there. Oh, he's hitting it again. All right, well, hopefully he takes off with him and the hook sits on him. We'll throw this one out to the right. I guess we can kind of see what kind of water we're dealing with. Something knocked some slack into my line. That's all I've been doing on this headpiece anyway. Oh, nope. I'm soon about to put it down too. We'll roll it back on. Oh, still looks good. Let's see this. So we're sitting out here, and it's not that deep, as you guys can kind of see. I'm gonna pull probably about 4 or 5 feet of water. So it's relatively shallow, so I don't know. With the water being even, oh, what in the world did I just go into? I wasn't looking. With the water being low in general, it's not that deep. But yeah, so this is Lake I'm at, guys, Canopolis. Nothing special, nothing crazy. Just working with what I got. Didn't feel like going out to the usual Milford. This pole got folded and the line went slack, and I think he has it. Yep, he got one. I mean, this pole got folded in half, and then it went slack, and then I slowly saw my line begin to go out again. He doesn't feel half bad. I haven't caught a fish in, God, it feels like forever. Kind of like it's fighting awfully weird for it to be a catfish. Because it's not a catfish. But are you a catfish? You are a catfish. For a second, I thought you were a white bass. All right. Been so long since I caught a fish, since I caught a catfish. Forgot what a catfish fought like. But he did fight awfully weird, I'm not gonna lie. Come here, buddy. That water's pretty cold down there, huh? There we go. A nice little skinny catfish. Gosh, you're skinny. You kind of remind me of, are you a blue cat? Or are you just a weirdly colored channel? I don't know. At this point, I'm just happy I caught something. It's been a while. Hopefully I can catch like 2 more. 2 or 3 more of these, this size or bigger. I call that a successful night. Hit it like a blue, because he folded the mess out of it. Wish I would have caught that on camera. I wish I would have charged my microphone from my big camera. Would have seen it. But such is life. We keep moving. The reason I say he fought weird because he like was taking a random burst of like speed, if that makes sense. Like he just randomly took off, kind of like how wipers do. But this bait looks decent still, so we're gonna throw it back out there. Actually, you know what? We have plenty of bait, so I'll get you to pull through. Awesome. We're just gonna cut up another piece. And then throw that out there. And we're gonna throw on another head section while we're at it too, because why not? And I think I'll freshen up that other bait too, that body section. So we're gonna take the smaller shad of the 3. Nasty. Yeah, I might have lied and said that there's no blue cats in here, because that faintly looked like one. So I could have been lying. Because honestly, I don't know if there's actually any blues in here, but he sure did look like one. Like I said, I don't know. I don't care. I'm just happy to catch something. It's been God knows how long. We got one on here. Yeah. Oh, nope. I do, actually. He's just really small, feels like. There's the rolls. Might have been, he might have wrapped himself up in it. Am I recording? I am, okay. Always someone at me. hope I caught that one on camera. Pretty sure. If I didn't, it was close. Another one, guys. See, this one looks more like a channel than the last one did. It's got the colors of the channel. Yeah, I'm pretty sure the last one was a blue. I didn't think blues were in here. And the triple action, double action, single action, I don't know, whatever this hook is. Got the job done, right in the corner of the mouth. Now if I could just get it out without poking myself, that'd be nice too. There we go. So it's one on the head and one on the body section. Two good eaters so far. What are you saying there, fish? Huh? It's got a lot to say. Sorry, I kind of messed up your mouth there a little bit. But thanks for playing, though. Appreciate you. Let's get hands wiped off real quick. I really need to wash this towel. But sweet, 2 fish. Now I don't feel bad making a video. Cause I was thinking about making a video with just that one fish I caught earlier. But then nobody wants to see just one fish. So, this is officially going to be a video now. Remember always to get those scales off, guys. If you're a fisherman like me, you need all the luck you can get. Cause I ain't gonna lie to you guys, I've been out 2-3 times. One time I didn't get anything. I didn't get no catfish anyway. I caught some white bass, but that was a little bit more easier to catch. And this is the catfish channel, so I assume you're here to watch me catch catfish, not white bass. So I didn't upload that video. As far as catching catfish for me lately, has been a struggle. I ain't gonna lie. But it's fishing, not catching, so really can't be upset about it. I'm just chasing after that blue cat I caught a couple years back. I'll throw him up on the screen right now. Didn't have my scale with me. Actually, I had a scale with me. I just didn't know I had it because at the time I was just so hyped. And yeah, that was the biggest fish, biggest blue cat I've ever caught, biggest fish I've ever caught as well. He was roughly 25 pounds, somewhere around there, or close to 40 inches long. But haven't caught anything like that since then. Been chasing him ever since, or a fish like him ever since. Sun's supposed to go down at 7. I'm getting hungry. And that bird just doing whatever he does. Uh-oh. Oh, there we go. Oh, maybe. Maybe not. Oh, well, damn. You hate to see it. You really do. And that was a nice takedown, but didn't get the hook. You hate to see it, Callie. You really do. Well, guys, I think that's going to be a wrap on today's video. I'll probably sit it for a little bit longer, see if that fish comes back for that head section. I don't know, though. Hopes aren't too high for it. But it was nice to get out, catch a few fish. I'm going to go home, get some food. But yeah, guys, I'm just blessed to catch those 2 fish. I've been struggling to catch fish, and God finally blessed me with 2 fish, so I'm gonna take them. I'm not gonna argue with that. Take what I can get when I can get it. But If you guys have stayed this far into the video, thank you so much. It really means a lot. I know I don't really upload a whole lot, but it's not for the lack of trying. I've been out. I've been out. I've been trying to catch something. I've just been in a slump lately. Black Mac though, he's been doing really well, guys. Go over there, subscribe to his channel. We fish a lot of the same water, so he's a really good YouTuber. Go over there, help him out, hit the like button for him. If you guys are new here and you like what you're seeing, hit the subscribe button for me. It really helps out. We're so close to 500. I was hoping to get that this summer, but it didn't happen. But it is what it is. We're gonna keep going, keep uploading. Try to bring you guys content throughout the winter. I'm not sure what I'm going to do, but if you guys want to see some trout videos, let me know. I know it's not the most exciting thing either, but if you guys enjoyed this video, drop a like. Really helps out the channel. Push it out to everybody. Share this with your friends, family. Help me hit that 500 mark, guys. It's been a slow grind. I've been enjoying it, as always, guys. Catch you later.